Struggling with dry, damaged hair that just won't cooperate? Imagine a conditioner that doesn't just sit on the surface but dives deep to hydrate and restore every strand. Palmer's Coconut Oil Deep Conditioner does exactly that. It's an intense, concentrated treatment designed to bring life back to dull, brittle hair while making styling easier and more effective. I've tried countless conditioners, but what sets this one apart is how quickly it penetrates the hair, locking in moisture from root to tip. It's not just about hydration, it's about rebuilding your hair's strength and shine with every use. Whether your curls are tight, loose, or somewhere in between, this formula works for all textures without harsh chemicals. No parabens, phthalate, mineral oil, gluten, or dyes. Just real, plant-based ingredients like coconut oil, cocoa butter, and shea butter that truly nourish and soften. What really matters is the visible change. After just one treatment, hair feels smoother, easier to detangle, and noticeably healthier. The Moisture Boost system in Palmer's formula targets dryness and damage with natural reparatives that keep your hair resilient and vibrant long after rinsing. It's a simple step that fits effortlessly into your routine but delivers lasting results you can see and feel. If that's you, someone who wants a reliable, effective conditioner that respects your hair's natural texture and health, Palmer's Coconut Oil Deep Conditioner is worth a look. It's backed by glowing reviews from users who praise its creamy texture and moisturizing power. Plus, Palmer's commitment to responsible sourcing means you're choosing a product that's good for your hair and the planet. Try it when you're ready to give your hair the deep hydration and care it deserves. With Palmer's, you get more than just a conditioner. You get a treatment that transforms your hair from dry and dull to soft, shiny, and full of life.